In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of having a yellow screen on your iPhone. So let's just dive straight into the video, guys. Now, there's a few different fixes that we can try, as there's a few different culprits that can make your iPhone screen look very kind of yellow and warm. So I'll just go through these in order. So the first one is to go into the settings. And as you can see, guys, my iPhone here is looking very kind of yellow and warm. So once we're in the settings, what we have to do is go to display and brightness and then go to night shift. Now, if this is enabled, the night shift mode, and this is set to more warm here, that is most likely what is causing your iPhone to look very kind of yellow. So all we have to do is change this slider to kind of the brightness or the warmth of the kind of screen that we like, or alternatively, we can just turn this off as well. Now, if you're still having issues of your phone looking very warm, there's actually a few other things that we can try. So if we go back into the settings and go to display and brightness, and if we go to true tone, this can also cause your iPhone to look yellow as well. So if I toggle this on, it's very subtle, but the iPhone actually goes a little bit yellow. And true tone is kind of a dynamic coloring kind of algorithm depending on where your phone is. So if you're in a darker room, True Tone will make your iPhone screen look warmer, and if you're outside, it will make it look cooler. So if you want to kind of control the warmth of your iPhone screen, you can go and just turn this off so it's like one consistent kind of color on your screen. So if that's still not working, you can actually try one last thing, and that's going to accessibility in settings again. And then we want to go to display and text size, and then go towards the bottom and go to color filters. So if you have color filters turned on here, this can actually cause your screen to go yellow, as you can see here. So if someone's been playing around with kind of like the hue, as you can see, this can drastically change the color of your screen. As you can see, this is pretty much set to like a dark orange. So if I want to change this, all I have to do is set color filters to off. And as you can see, that fixes the issue. So there you have it, guys. Those are a few different tips and tricks that you can try to make your iPhone screen remove the yellow on it. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.